In this course on Pebble jewelry, Kris shows how to make these silver pebbles out of metal clay. What you do with them or how you incorporate them into your creations is up to you. This process would actually work for any small shape that you can make out of paper mache. And making paper mache is what is taught in the first video. In the second video, Kris shows how to cover the paper mache with metal clay and further prepare the pebbles for the firing step. In the third video, she takes you through the rest of the finishing process, including how to put the pebbles on a head pin and finish the necklace and earrings set. This course is categorized as a basic course, but an experienced metal clayer will gain some tips and information along the way also. Included in this course are all the resources for more information on subjects touched upon so that you can grow your skills in metal clay. So, hope to see you in the course.